Toronto Region Conservation Authority has been monitoring benthic macroinvertebrates since 2001. Monitoring the health and the diversity, so how many and the different types of benthic macroinvertebrates in our streams, can teach us how healthy our streams are. Some examples of benthic macroinvertebrates are dragonflies, mayflies. We also collect crayfish, snails. We find them in the stream because they spend a number of years, up to 3 years of their larval stage, in the water. You can find them hiding under rocks, under the mud, under different types of debris. So we'll kick from one side to the next and hoping that all of the sediment that we kicked up and the rocks that we flipped over had bugs hiding underneath that will then go into our net to create our sample. So now we're going to preserve our samples, and then afterwards we're going to take them back. So let's go to the lab and see what we found.
Okay, now let's take a look at the microinvertebrate samples we got this morning. We have a mayfly here, and then this is the same mayfly, just a little bit smaller. We have some caddis flies here. So these mayflies are more sensitive to urbanization and pollution. They tend to like colder water streams. They're usually a good indicator the site is pretty healthy. Here in the middle of the red worm, this is a quantumate or midge. We don't want to see a lot of these more tolerant taxa in our watershed because they usually are an indicator of more urbanized streams. Our Benthos monitoring is part of TRCA's long-term regional watershed monitoring program. We're also equipped to collect lake samples from Lake Ontario and the waterfront. We used our Benthos data collected along with other data such as water chemistry data and fishery records to tell a complete story of the health of a watershed. TRCA recognizes the value of long-term environmental monitoring, and we will continue to share the data collected with our local and regional municipalities and other partners, so we have the ability to track changes in the health of regional watershed over time.